Good morning, and welcome to another episode of The Quote for Today. I'm your host, Michelle Frisby, and I'm so glad you're here. So much of our stress comes from believing we should be somewhere else, doing something more, or figuring something out right now. Today's quote gently releases us from that pressure. The present moment asks nothing of you except to be here. This quote reminds us that the present moment is not a demand. It doesn't ask for improvement, explanation, or effort. It simply invites our presence. When we stop treating the moment as a problem to solve, we begin to feel how supportive it actually is. Being here doesn't mean liking everything about the moment. It means allowing it. When we meet the present without resistance, tension eases, the body relaxes, the mind quiets. We discover that peace is often less about changing circumstances and more about changing our relationship to what is already happening. The present moment is generous. It carries us whether we trust it or not. When we choose to be here fully and honestly, we find ourselves steadied by something simple and reliable. As you begin your day, remind yourself that nothing more is required of you right now than to be here. As the day unfolds, notice when your attention drifts into worry or anticipation, and gently return to what is happening in front of you. And this evening, reflect on how moments of simple presence affected the tone of your day. Here's a simple tool to carry with you today. When you feel overwhelmed, quietly name 3 things you can see, 1 thing you can feel, and 1 sound you can hear. Let that bring you back. And here are 2 related thoughts to sit with. Presence softens effort, and peace begins where striving ends. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.